Imagine a world where your dog or cat's vaccine works faster, lasts longer, and has almost zero side effects. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, nanotechnology is making it a reality, and it could completely change how we protect our furry family members. Welcome to Pet Health and Care, where we bring you the latest science and innovations shaping the future of pet wellness. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of nanotech vaccines for pets, and trust me, you'll want to hear about this. It's a game changer. So, what exactly are these nanotech vaccines? Think of them as super smart delivery systems on a microscopic scale. In simple terms, they are vaccines made using nanoparticles, ultra-teeny carriers that can deliver medicine or antigens directly to your pet's immune cells. Unlike traditional vaccines, which kind of broadcast their message to the whole body, nanotech vaccines are incredibly precise. They act like a targeted text message instead of a loudspeaker announcement. This means they're faster acting and require much smaller doses. It's no wonder scientists are calling it the smart vaccine revolution. So, how do they actually work inside your pet? Let's break it down. When a dog or cat gets a nanotech vaccine, these tiny nanoparticles act like microscopic messengers. They're designed to carry the vaccine material safely through the bloodstream, bypassing anything that isn't their target. They then zero in on the right immune cells and deliver their package, triggering a powerful and efficient immune response without overwhelming your pet's system. Think of it as a special forces mission for the immune system. This targeted approach means better protection against diseases, a much lower chance of side effects like lethargy or soreness. And get this, it even opens the door for one-time lifetime vaccines in the future. Imagine no more yearly boosters for certain diseases. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but when will it actually be available? Well, it's closer than you think. Right now, dedicated researchers in the US and Australia are actively testing nanotech-based vaccines for some of the most serious pet diseases, like rabies and parvovirus. Early trials on mice and dogs are showing incredible results. We're talking stronger immunity with significantly smaller doses. Major animal health companies like Zoetis and Elanco are reportedly exploring this technology as well. So, while it's not on the market just yet, the timeline is encouraging. Based on current progress, we could see the first commercial pet vaccines using nanotech appear as soon as 2027 or 2028. We're on the cusp of a major breakthrough. Let's talk about the real-world benefits, because they are huge. First, a faster immune response means your pet is protected sooner. Second, because the response is stronger and more durable, it could mean fewer booster shots are needed throughout their life. This also makes vaccines safer for senior pets or those with sensitive systems and allergies. For pet owners, this translates to lower long-term vet costs, which is always a plus. And on a global scale, many of these nanotech vaccines are more stable, meaning they can be stored more easily even in hot climates, making them more accessible worldwide. It's a win-win-win situation for pets, owners, and vets. Of course, with any groundbreaking technology, it's important to be realistic and consider the challenges. Experts are carefully studying the potential long-term effects of nanoparticles to ensure they are completely safe. There are also hurdles like production costs, which are currently high, and the complex process of getting global regulatory approval. This is precisely why these nanotech vaccines are still in the testing phase and are not yet available for your pet at your local vet clinic. Safety and effectiveness have to be proven beyond any doubt. So, are nanotech vaccines the definitive future of pet health? The evidence points to a resounding yes, but we'll need a few more years of rigorous testing and research to be absolutely sure. The potential is undeniable, and it's an exciting time for veterinary medicine. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about this new technology? Would you trust a nanotech vaccine for your pet when it becomes available? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest in pet science,